हमारे साइंटिस्टों ने माना है कि हम इंग्लिश को बहुत आसानी से सीख सकते हैं बिना किसी ग्रामर रूल की मदद के, सिर्फ बार बार अभ्यास कर कर, ठीक बच्चों की तरह जैसे वो बिना किसी रूल के इंग्लिश को सीखते हैं और बोलते हैं। धन्यवाद।
In a school, there was a principal whose son also studied there. Another boy, the son of regular parents, also attended the same school. The son often bullied the other boy, boasting, I am the son of the school. He engaged in various mischievous activities, knowing that no teacher or even the principal would discipline him. In contrast, the other boy, the son of normal parents, behaved well and focused on his studies. He did not engage in any troublemaking and was known for his good manner and dedication to his education. Years went by and both boys grew up. Due to his bad habits and lack of discipline, the principal's son struggled to find his path. The school eventually closed down and he ended up working in a large factory, starting from the bottom. One day, while working in the factory, the principal's son encountered surprising situation. He saw the same boy he used to bully, but this time the tables had turned. The boy, who had always been well behaved and focused on his studies, was now the owner of the factory. The principal's son was shocked and realized how his bad behavior and lack of discipline had led him to a difficult position. The factory owner, on the other hand, had succeeded due to his hard work, dedication, and good habits. This story teaches a valuable lesson about the importance of good behavior, hard work, and humility. The principal's son learned the hard way that and bullying do not lead to success. Meanwhile, the boy who was once teased become a successful factory owner, proving that integrity and are the true keys to success. Thanks a lot. If you like the story, please comment, like and share. Thanks a lot. In a bustling city, there lived two boys, Samir and Arjun. Samir came from a wealthy family. His parents provided him with everything he needed, and he spent his days enjoying a carefree life. He had no interest in studying or preparing for the future, content to live off his parents' money and luxuries. On the other hand, came from a modest background. His parents couldn't afford to give him much, but they taught him the value of hard work and perseverance. Arjun had a passion for painting and spent his time creating beautiful artworks. He also worked part-time jobs to support his family and fund his education. As the years passed, life remained unchanged. He continued to rely on his parents' wealth without any plans for his future. In contrast, Arjun balanced his studies with his passion for painting and part-time jobs. He dreamed of a better future and worked tirelessly to achieve it. One day, Arjun saw an opportunity to change his life. The railway department was hiring, and he decided to apply. His dedication and hard work paid off when he passed the exam and secured a job. This job not only provided him with a stable income but also allowed him to support his family and pursue his passion for painting. Meanwhile, his parents' health began to decline and their financial situation worsened. Without any skills of work experience, Samir found himself struggling to make ends meet. Arjun, now a respected railway employee and a talented painter, had transformed his life through hard work and determination. His success was a testament to his perseverance and dedication. Samir, on the other hand, learned a harsh lesson about the importance of preparing for the future. The story of Arjun serves as a powerful reminder that hard work, determination, and are the key to a successful and fulfilling life. Arjun's journey from a struggling artist to a successful railway employee inspired everyone to strive for their dreams, while Samir's plight underscores the consequence of and dependence. Thanks. If you like the story, please like, comment, and share. This is my motivation. Please do it. Two siblings were diligently preparing for the NEET exam, but their approaches couldn't be more different. While one was dedicated to his studies, the other took advantage of his parents' support. The sibling saw the money sent by his parents as an opportunity to indulge in comfort rather than investing in his future. He pretended to attend classes, but in reality, he squandered his time and resources, neglecting his studies. His deceptive behavior brought him temporary relief from the pressure of exam, but he failed to realize the gravity of his action. While he, in his laziness, his diligent sibling continued to for success. As the exam date approached, the lazy lack of effort evident. Despite his attempts to his parents and himself, he escaped the consequence of his laziness. On the other hand, his hardworking sibling achieved success, securing admission to a prestigious medical school. The story is a reminder that while taking the easy path may provide temporary comfort, it ultimately leads to failure and disappointment. True success comes from dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to overcome challenges, even when the journey seems difficult. Thanks for the story. If you like the story, please like, comment, and share. This is my motivation. Thanks. In a bustling city, there lived two friends, Anil, a patient gardener, and the Ravi, an impatient artist. Anil spent his days tending to a beautiful public garden. He loved nurturing plants and flowers, believing that with time and care, they would bloom into a something magnificent. Ravi, on the other hand, was always in a rush to achieve fame. He wanted to be a renowned artist quickly and often took shortcuts in his work. Anil's garden became the pride of the city. Visitors marveled at the vibrant flowers and well maintained greenery. Anil's dedication and patience paid off as the garden flourished under his care. Meanwhile, Ravi struggled to gain recognition. His rushed artwork lacked the depth and quality needed to impress critics and buyers. Despite his efforts, he remained largely unknown. Frustrated, Ravi often criticized Anil's slow and steady approach. Why spend years on a garden? Fame and success should be immediate, he would say. Anil smiled and replied, "Good things take time. Ravi, patience and hard work are the true keys to lasting success." One day, the city announced an art and garden competition with a significant prize for the winner. Anil entered the garden category, while Ravi, seeing an opportunity for quick fame, hastily prepared several pieces for the art category. He was determined to win and finally prove his approach was right. When the competition day arrived, the judges were captivated by Anil's garden. Its beauty and meticulous care shone through, earning Anil's first prize. In contrast, Ravi's rushed artwork did not impress the judges, and he failed to win any recognition. Disheartened, Ravi finally realized the value of Anil's word. Humbled by his experience, Ravi approached Anil for advice. Anil welcomed him warmly and taught him the importance of patience and dedication in one's craft. Ravi began to apply these lessons to his art, working diligently and thoughtfully on each piece. Over time, his work improved significantly, and he started gaining the recognition he had always desired. The tale of Anil and Ravi became a lesson for many in the city. It showed that while shortcuts may offer quick results, true and lasting success comes from patience, hard work, and dedication. And Ravi's newfound appreciation for his art stood as testaments to the power of perseverance and the wisdom of taking the time to nurture one's talents. Thanks. If you like the story, please like, comment, and share. This is my motivation. Thanks a lot.